Good morning, students. So, in last video, I told you that some questions were remaining in exercise 7.1, 1 to 5, and question number 21 and 22. Okay. So, today I will tell some questions from these questions. So, first question that is asking, find the antiderivative. Means antiderivative of a function that is also called integral of a function. So find an antiderivative or integral of the following functions by the method of inspection. Okay. So if given in question, if mentioned in question, do by method of inspection. So by this method you have to do. Okay. So you see some questions and related these questions. One example also given in book. That example 1. Okay, write an antiderivative for each of the following functions using the method of inspection. So first write question sine 2x. Okay, so sine 2x we have to find their antiderivative. Okay, so for that first you find which function their differentiation is sine 2x. Clear? So you know that cos x their differentiation sin x, but here sin 2x is given. So cos 2x their differentiation will be okay minus 2 sin 2x. Their differentiation will be minus 2 sin 2x. But we have to find antiderivative of sin 2x only. So except sin 2x remaining, you transfer this side. So d by dx. So minus 2 to this side, minus 1 upon 2 cos 2x. Okay. Is equal to sin x. Sorry, sin 2x. Okay. And we know that differentiation of this is equal to sin 2x. Okay. So integration of sin 2x, what will be? This minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. Okay. So after this step, we will write therefore antiderivative of sin 2x is minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. So this is the answer. Antiderivative of sin 2x, that is minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. Okay. So like this you have to do. Okay. So it is simple, only need practice. Okay. So then start next. Okay. So next question number 2 given cos 3x. Clear? So question number 2 given cos 3x. So in this. Okay. So first antiderivative of cos 3x. So first you find which function their differentiation is cos 3x. So sin 3x. So sin 3x their differentiation 3 cos 3x. But we have to find antiderivative of cos 3x. So 3 by 3 divide. So 1 by 3 sin 3x. So differentiation of this is cos 3x. So integration of this will be 1 by 3 sin 3x. So integration or antiderivative of differentiation of this is equal to this. So antiderivative means integration of this will be this. So here write antiderivative of cos 3x. Okay. 1 by 3 sin 3x. Clear? Then question number 3, 4th you see. ax plus b whole square. Ax plus b whole square. So first you find which function their differentiation is this. So ax plus b, okay, ax plus b whole cube. So their differentiation will be 3ax plus b whole square into a. Okay, but we have to find antiderivative of this. So except ax plus b whole square remaining, you transfer in left hand side. So d by dx. So 1 by 3a ax plus b whole cube is equal to, okay, ax plus b whole square. So differentiation of this is that. So integration of this will be that. So therefore antiderivative of antiderivative of ax plus b whole square is 1 by 3a ax plus b whole cube. Okay. And plus constant also you can write. Clear? Because in integration you know constant, that differentiation 0. Clear? So remaining questions like this related antiderivatives, method of inspection. Okay. So remaining you try from yourself. Okay. And if any problem you can ask. Then second exercise. Here method of integration. So integration we can do by 3 methods. Okay. So first method, methods of integration. So first method, that is substitution. Second, integration by parts. Integration by parts. And third method is integration using partial fraction. Integration using partial fraction. Clear? So 3 methods given are methods for integration. Actually some questions, general questions by formulas directly we can do, but other questions by methods, okay, we have to apply, and after that possible their integration. So in that first method is substitution method. So today I will discuss this first method. Okay. So in substitution method, if directly not knowing formula or directly not available formula for particular function, so in that we will suppose. Okay. So take one example. Okay. And here some formulas also given. Okay. So first you learn formulas. So first formula, that is tan x dx. And their integration will be log mod sec x plus b. Clear? Cot x, so log mod sin x. Okay. and some more, two more formulas, sec x and cosec x. So sec x, okay, sec x dx and cosec x dx. Okay. So sec x dx, their formula log sec x plus tan x, log mod sec x plus tan x plus c, and log cosec x, log cosec x minus cot x. Clear? So these formulas first you have to learn, and their proof also given. Okay, and simple one proof you see, like cot x. Okay. So cot x dx. So cot x we can write cos x upon sin x dx. So here cos x and sin x both. Okay. So you have to suppose here. So suppose sin x. Suppose p. So sin x, what you have supposed, with respect to that you have to differentiate both sides. Okay. So d by dx, sorry, d by dt means what you are supposing, with respect to that you have to differentiate. And here d by dt. So 1 and this d by dt sin x. So d by dt. Okay. So first write dx, d by dx sin x, and here dx by, because sin x we can differentiate with respect to x, not with respect to t. So apply chain rule. So sin x there differentiation cos x. Okay, and dx by dt equal to 1. So cos x dx equal to. So here you see, in place of cos x dx we can write dt, and in place of sin x you have suppose here you write suppose. So sin x t, and you know that this function their differentiation 1 upon t log t. Okay, so log mod t plus, and t value is p. So log sin x. Okay, so formula will be log t is sin x, so log sin x plus, similarly tan x also you can do, and sec x cosec x. Okay, in book it is given clearly. Okay, so you can do from there. Okay, very simple way. Then we can start exercise. So start from question first. Okay. So first question is 2x upon 1 plus x square. Exercise 7.2. 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. Clear? So here what you have, you will suppose. So 1 plus x square. And why are we supposing 1 plus x square? Because in their differentiation 2x will come. This is the differentiation. This is the difference between differentiation and integration. In differentiation, any function directly we suppose t or u or v, but here you cannot suppose directly. First you think, because by supposing what are coming in their differentiation, that should also be arranged, that should manage anywhere. If not managing, so you cannot suppose. So 1 plus x square is equal to t. So differentiate it. So d by dt 1 plus x square. So d by dx 1 plus x square, and here dx by dt and this one. 1 where 0x square, so 2x dx equal to. Now we will write directly this left hand side with respect to x, so 1 0x square 2x dx and here dx, like this we will write. So in place of 2x dt upon 1 plus x square, so 1 upon t is log t is this 1 plus x plus something. Clear? Similarly, in question number second, log x whole square upon x dx. Clear? So here what we will suppose, log x equal to t. We will suppose log x equal to t. So 1 upon x dx what will be? And this t, so t square dt. So t square dt applied formula t cube upon 3 plus 3, then putting q as that will be answer. So like this remaining questions also you can try it on yourself. Okay, thank you.